Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna explain you about factorization of polynomials. This is our episode 5. And before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe and let's break it down step by step. So, what is the actual meaning of factorization? The meaning of factorization is breaking a polynomial into simpler polynomials called factors in the brackets, which when multiplied give back the original polynomial. So the meaning of factorization is breaking a polynomial into simpler polynomials, which are called factors, which when multiplied give back the original polynomial. If I explain you the examples, then you will understand it. And now let's go into the examples. X square plus 5x plus 6 can be written as x plus 2 into x plus 3. Here x multiplied with x plus x multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by 3. If we calculate this, and we'll get this, the original polynomial. And now I'm going to tell you some methods to calculate the factors. Our method 1 is common factor method. The question is 6x square plus 9x. Now we're going to solve this question. If we see this polynomial, we can observe the common factor 3x. And when we divide this with 3x, we get 2x plus 3. So this equals to this. 6x square plus 9x equals to 3x into 2x plus 3. And the answer is 3x into 2x plus 3. And we're gonna move into method number 2. Which is grouping method. And here the question is x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 6. And now we're gonna group the terms x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 6. Now we're gonna factor each group, like x square into x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3. And now in this, the common part is x plus 3. So now we're gonna do x plus 3 into x square plus 2. If we solve this, we'll get into the original equation. Now we're gonna move into the method number 3. which is splitting the middle term. Or quadratics. Sorry. Our question is x square plus 5x plus 6. Now we're gonna find the multiples of 5. Sorry, the multiples of, or the numbers which when we add equals to 5 and multiplied equals to 6. The numbers are 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and 2 into 3 equals to 6. Now we're gonna do x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. We're gonna group the numbers x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2. And now we're gonna factor these terms, which gives us x plus 2 into x plus 3. And now we're gonna have a quick summary. And the first method, which needs the taking out of common factor, and use grouping if there are 4 terms. And the next method is to split middle term for quadratics, and we should multiply back these polynomials to check if we got the original polynomial. And now I'm going to give you a practice question. Solve it and comment down below. You should factorize x square plus 7x plus 10. And the options are option A, x plus 5 into x plus 2. Option B is x plus 10 into x minus 1. Option C is x plus 1 into x plus 7. And option D is x plus 2 into x plus 5. Pause here, try it, and drop your answer in the comments. And that's the basics of factorizing polynomials. Next episode will go deeper with division of polynomials. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.